ये जा रहे हैं स्टैंड कर जा रहे हैं स्टैंड जो लोग जाएं से आवाज आते जाओ हम्म
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
ये प्रॉब्लम्स तो क्लियर नहीं है आप डिक्टेट करो तो सॉल्व करो
यस सर।
यू कैन डिक्टेट द प्रॉब्लम आई विल सॉल्व
ओके, दबाना है। थैंक यू सर।
इट यस जस्ट 1 सेकंड या टेल मी क्वेश्चंस
ओके सर। लिमिट इंटीग्रेशन 1 0 to 1
यस
1 plus t dt।
1 plus t dt this much only
So under root 1 plus t square सर।
1 plus t
1 plus t। Yes।
dt और next
And integration 0 to 2 pi
हम्म
sin 2t dt।
हम्म हम्म
And then integration 0 to pi by 2
हम्म
cos square t dt।
हम्म
Integration 0 to 1 1 by 1 plus t square dt।
हम्म
Uh, what is it saying now? Okay, yeah. So integration 0 to 1 2x 1 1 plus 2x by 1 plus x square dx।
yes any more
Integration 0 to 1 under root 4 plus t square dt। Then integration x ex dx
integration
x
x
ex e
e
to the
power
power of x dx।
yes
And then integration 0 to 2 pi under root 5
but the
dt।
question number 7 don't have limits
Yes, it doesn't.
okay eighth
8 2 pi 0 to 2 pi
yes
under root 5 dt।
yes
And then there are more six. Do I say?
yeah tell me the questions
Okay.
oh
Integration 0 to pi sine
hmm,
square t into cos square t dt.
Hmm.
And then integration 0 to 1 by under root 1 minus x square dx.
Integration 0 to 1 under root
1 by under root 1 minus x square dx.
okay.
Then integration 1 to 2
Hmm.
1 minus t square plus t cube dt.
1 minus t square
T square
plus
plus
t
t
cube
cube dt.
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 Okay.
Then, integration 0 to pi by 3
Okay.
1 by 4 plus t square dt.
Okay.
And then 0 to 1 integration 0 to 1 by 1 plus x dx.
0 to 1 1 by 1 plus x
1 plus x dx.
dx. Okay.
And then
Okay, let
yes,
it be.
sir, that's
Just
it.
give me just 2 minutes time. I'll have a small break. Just पानी पी लेता हूँ उसके बाद start कर.
Okay. Okay.
Get me some water, please. Okay, hello. Here in some problems, you don't face any difficulties. One word answers is there. So I think those who are having one word answer can do it first. Then remaining,
Yes.
those will take a time, will do the next page.
Okay, sir.
Like we starting with this one. Sine 2t integration is minus cos 2t
2t.
divided by 2. Sine integration is cos. Cos
Yes, sir.
integration is minus, sine integration is minus cos. But you see here t coefficient is 2. That denominator we have to write
Yes.
compulsory. Limits are from 0 to 2 pi. This is equal to, take minus 1 by 2 outside, and then cos
Okay,
2t.
sir.
Cos 2t, the limits are from 0 to 2 pi. This is equal to minus 1 by 2 outside only. Upper limit in place of t, if you put cos 2t, 2 pi. So becomes cos 4 pi.
Mm.
Cos
Yes,
4
sir.
pi minus cos
We can
0.
cancel 2 and 2, right?
Yes,
We can, okay, okay, no, nothing else. Yes, yes.
this is minus 1 by 2 as it is.
Yes,
Cos
sir.
4 pi value, if you see in your calculator, it is 1. Minus cos 0 is also 1. So this together cancel. Finally, the answer of this problem is 0. You can
Yes, sir.
verify your answers also. किसी से verify करवाना है करवा लीजिए आप. Okay?
Sir, sir, I have answer. This
Okay.
is correct.
Check it. Huh? Cos square
Correct,
t.
sir.
We don't have any formula for a square term. So we should convert cos square theta in terms of like that. This formula we apply trigonometry. Cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. It means our problem will be converted to integration 0 to 2, 0 to pi by 2. Cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos. In place of theta, we have t. So it is 2t divided by 2. Okay. And this is dt.
Yes, sir.
This is equal to, same story, 1 by 2 will be outside. I
Yes.
think I should go for next page for this problem also lengthy. Next page, see. 0 to pi by 2 cos square t dt is your problem. Okay. This is the solution of problem number 3 we are doing.
Yes, sir.
This is 0 to pi by 2, of course. Cos square t can be written as 1 plus cos 2t by 2 into dt as
Sir,
it
whenever there
is.
is 2, we should write 2 in the denominator also.
No, this formula we are
Like
applying.
what
Just now I shown trigonometry. Cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. ये trigonometry formula है. Previous question, what we have done, that is direct integration. Sine 2t integation is minus cos 2t by 2. Here we are direct integrating. Here we are converting this one into again a trigonometric function because we don't have the answer for square term.
okay. No, sir, I'm asking the denominator, it is in formula only. Like we are adding 2 in the denominator again in the last question. So
Huh.
that is there in the
Last
formula
question,
only.
last question. Sine 2t coefficient is there like this. I'll show you once again. देखिए एक बार आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में देख लो. साइन 2t का अगर आप इंटीग्रेशन कर रहे हो, द आंसर इज माइनस कॉस. नॉर्मली
Yes.
साइन टी का कॉस टी हो जाता, बट यहाँ पर 2t
Yes,
रहने
sir.
से जो भी कोफिशिएंट है वो डिवाइड में लिखना है. ये हो गया इसका
Okay.
आंसर खत्म. अब लास्ट में अगर ये यहाँ पर लिमिट्स है तो प्लस से निकाल के लिमिट्स अप्लाई.
Okay.
इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं, अभी इंटीग्रेट नहीं कर रहे, सिर्फ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री अप्लाई कर.
Okay.
अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ टेक 1 by 2
Yes, sir.
आउटसाइड. 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus cos 2t dt, which is equals to 1 by 2 as it is outside. This is if you apply the limit individually for 1, 0 to pi by 2, 1 dt, we have to apply the integration for both of these two terms. This is integral 0 to pi by 2, of course, cos 2t dt.
dt.
This is closed. This is 1 by 2 outside only. 1 dt is t, 1 dx is x. Integration of constant is the constant itself. 1 dt is t, 1 dx is x. Limits are 0 to pi by 2. Plus, like this one, sine 2t is minus cos 2t. Cos 2t integration is sine 2t divided by 2. Limits are 0 to pi by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2 times upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is pi by 2. Lower limit is 0, so no need to write. Plus here also 1 by 2 if you take outside as a constant. And now apply the limit sine 2 into t value is pi by 2. 2 and pi by 2. 2 to cancel, sine pi minus sine 0. I'm getting this point, or should I write one more step?
No, I understood, sir.
And you see your answer is pi by 4. Why? Because the reason is sine pi is 0, sine 0 is also 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So pi by 4 will be the
Yes,
answer
sir.
of this one. Pi by 4. Correct?
Sir, for this sine pi, sine 0, there are formulas for this, sir.
Yes. You can use the calculator also for this one. I'll show you still. Sine pi by 2 value is 1. Sine 0 is 0. Sine pi is 1. Sine 2 pi is 1. Sine 3 pi is 1. Sine 4 pi is 1. Pi pi is 1. Naturally, sine n pi is also 0. Sine n pi is 0. N value may be anything, whatever it is. 0 only. The all answers will be 0. Similarly, different story for cos. Cos 0 is 1. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos 1 means 1 pi is equal to minus 1. Cos 2 pi is equal to plus 1. Cos 3 pi is equal to minus 1. Odd number values, negative answer. Natural general formula is cos n pi is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n, depending upon the value of n. n अगर odd हो रहा, answer negative होता. n is even means answer is positive. These two are the
Sine 2
standard
pi is
formulas.
1.
Sine 2
So,
pi is
sir,
1,
sine 2
yes.
pi,
Yes,
then
sine
if
2 pi
sine
is
is
1.
3 pi, then
3 pi
3 pi
is
will be
minus 1. Minus 1. For
sine
odd
3 pi will be
values,
minus 1.
yeah, 4 pi will be plus 1 again. 5 pi will be negative again, minus 1.
No, sir, not for cos, for sine.
साइन के कितना भी ले लो 1 पाई 2 पाई 3 पाई 4 पाई 5 पाई 6 पाई 7 पाई कुछ भी ले लो everywhere it is zero only except this
Okay.
value all the answers will be zero except only one
Okay.
value sin 90 degrees 1 rest of all will be zero इसके लिए आप कैलकुलेटर भी यूज कर सकते हैं मेरा बोला इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है
Okay, sir.
नेक्स्ट इज 0 to 1 1 by 1 plus t square dt here I can do with that question
Okay.
0 to 1 1 by 1 plus t square dt इसको तो कुछ भी करना ही नहीं है दिस इज डायरेक्ट फार्मूला दिस इज tan इनवर्स ऑफ x इसका डायरेक्ट फार्मूला है tan इनवर्स ऑफ x जाके tan इनवर्स t हो जाता लिमिट्स आर 0 to 1
Yes, sir.
अपर लिमिट इज tan इनवर्स ऑफ 1 minus lower
Minus.
limit is tan inverse of 0 so tan inverse of 1 can be written as pi by 4 because we know that tan 45 degree is 1 so I should write here tan pi by 4 and here tan 0 is 0 so forget about it tan and inverse cancel the answer of this question is pi by 4 that's it आपके
Okay.
आंसर्स भी होंगे ना आपको और सेटिस्फैक्शन हो जाता देख के
Yes, sir.
चलिए नेक्स्ट देखो Next will be ये भी direct formula में आ जाए. Differentiation of denominator is numerator. I'll be writing the formula also for you. I think I shown the formula yesterday only. F of x, f dash of x format. If you differentiate the denominator, immediately you'll get the numerator. X square differentiation is 2x. 1 differentiation of 1 is constant 0. So the answer will be log mod fx. Pink color is the formula. Blue color is your answer. Now I'm writing the answer. So for this one, if I am writing the answer log of mod, if you want to consider mod, choice is yours. 1 plus x square mod close. Limits are 0 to 1. Then upper limit is it is log 2, because if you put in place of x1 log 2 minus lower limit is log 1 because x value is 0. The answer of this question is only log 2 because log 1 value is a standard value. Log 1 is always 0.
Okay, sir.
This question number
So
1,
we are putting the
question number
we are
6
adding the
will be
limit in
different.
x place, right?
Yes,
X
yes,
will be 1.
yes.
Okay.
Like this one also, 13 question also the same. 1 by x integration is log x. Limits are 0 to 1. Upper limit is log of 1 plus 1 is log 2. Same question, minus log
Yes.
of 1. Because log 1 is 0, answer is log 2.
Yes, sir.
One word answers are there. इसका देखिए, root 5 is a constant, take outside. 0 to 2 pi, I think not. Space is not enough. Oh, yes. ये क्वेश्चन भी सेम ही है. 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x. ये तो करे सर ना अभी. हाँ अभी कर ली.
Yes.
This is done. Now moving to this one.
First one is
This one. Yesterday I gave this formula ना x e power x का. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ
e
x e
power
पावर x. t e पावर t में कल इसका फार्मूला दिया ना मैं आपको.
Yes,
t e
sir.
power t.
Yeah.
So what is the answer here? X minus 1 e power x plus c. Finished. Finish. I don't think so this much of easy question will come in exam.
No, sir,
0
it won't.
to 2 pi root 5 dt. Next page will take. MS Abdul Hayat. Who is that? Abdul Hayat कौन है वो? 0 to 2 pi root 5 into dt. 0 to 2 pi root 5 into dt. Is your question is this one? Yes. Okay. So simply root 5 is a constant, take it out. 0 to 2 pi 1 dt. You are given this Zoom link to any other student? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
आप इसका लिंक किसी और स्टूडेंट को
Hello,
दिया क्या?
yes, sir. No, 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 sir. Only two
नहीं,
people are there in the class.
अमतुल हयात कोई बोल के बोल रहा ना.
No.
Okay, let us see. 1 dt is t. Limits are 0 to 2 pi.
Yes, sir.
So upper limit minus lower limit, root pi as it is, root 5 as it is. Upper limit is 2 pi. Lower limit is 0. So 0 no need to write. So answer is 2 root 5 into pi.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Okay.
Sin square t cos square t dt. ये तो इसका भी डायरेक्ट आंसर है. This is sin inverse of x, direct answer. Sin inverse of t. Limits are 0 to 1. So upper limit is sin inverse of
Sin
1.
inverse.
Sin inverse of 1
Inverse of zero.
minus sin inverse of 0. Sin inverse of 0 is of course 0. But sine inverse of 1 can be solved like this. Sine inverse of 1 can be written as sine pi by 2. Sine and inverse cancel, answer is pi by 2. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 को थोड़ा टाइम लगता, 1 को थोड़ा टाइम लगता, 6 को थोड़ा टाइम लगता, बाकी तो अभी हो जाते हैं। 11th
And
वाला भी करें। 11th क्वेश्चन इंटीग्रेशन क्या है वो 0 to 1
yes, sir.
1 minus t square plus t cube dt. So direct answers we should write it and finish it.
1
1
1 to 2. Sir, it's 1 to 2.
okay
2 2.
okay okay direct answers 1 with respect to t is t minus t square integration is t cube by 3
Yes,
x power n formula we can apply.
yes.
T
T
power 3
to the
integration
power
is t
4 by
power 4 by 4. Limits are 1 to 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. This is 2 minus 2 power 3 is 8 by 3 plus 2 power 4 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. This much is upper limit. Minus lower limit is 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4.
plus 1 by
You can apply the calculator for this
LCM.
one. 6 minus 8 by 3.
Yes.
Calculator allowed नहीं है.
Allowed.
You can use the calculator for this.
Yes.
Don't waste your time. I'll show you the answers. The first answer is इसको मैं तो कर लेता हूँ मैनुअली मगर आपको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. 6
Yes.
is 18 minus 8 is 10 by 3 minus I'll show you manually also, don't worry. We can make it denominator balance, that is 1 can be written as 12 by 12 minus 4 by 12 मतलब
12.
multiply and divide by 3. 4 1 था 4 3 था. Multiply and divide by 3. Again
Sir, I know how to solve it. And
10 by 3 minus 12 is LCM. 12 minus 7 is 5. इसके बाद का स्टेप फिर से 4 से मल्टीप्लाई यहाँ पर भी करेंगे, यहाँ पर भी करेंगे. Then 12 is the LCM again. 40 minus 5, 35.
35.
That's it.
Yes.
And don't write your answer in decimal form. Your answer of integration always should be in a fraction form.
Okay.
So this is also a direct formula. Like that, 4 can be written as 2 square. Because, okay, pi by 3 है ना वो लिमिट, तो फिर करना
Yes,
पड़ेगा
0 by
0 to pi by 3 1 by 4 plus t square dt. This is
Yes.
equal to 0 to pi by 3. 4 can be written as 2 square plus t square dt. So then
Yes, sir.
this is equal to, ये फार्मूला किसका है, tan इनवर्स ऑफ x का है. यस हेलो, फार्मूला लिख देता हूँ आपको पिंक कलर से, कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे अदरवाइज. इंटीग्रेशन 1 by
Okay, sir.
x square plus a square dx is equals to, the formula is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. फार्मूलों का खेल है जो, और कुछ भी नहीं. बस इफ यू नो द फॉर्मूलाज. देखिए मैं आपके अपने को सिलेबस से अवेयर भी नहीं हूँ, मैं आप क्वेश्चन बोले तो मैं आंसर कर रहा हूँ. क्या है, व्हाट इज द एडवांटेज, मेरे को फार्मूला याद होता है. In place of x
Yes,
we
sir.
have the variable t. In place of a we have
Yes.
the constant 2. So according
Yes,
to the
sir.
answer 1 by a means a value is 2 here, a value is 2, x value is t. 1 by a 1 by 2 tan inverse of x by a means t by 2.
Two by two.
And the limits are from 0 to पाई बाई 3। आई थिंक ये लिमिट पाई बाई 3 नहीं होना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से। पाई बाई 4 या पाई बाई 2 होता, पाई बाई 3 लिमिट्स कभी भी नहीं आते, फिर भी आपका मर्जी, मैं कर दे रहा हूँ। दिस इज tan इनवर्स ऑफ
Okay.
t value is pi, pi by 3 means pi by 6, 3 to the 6 minus tan inverse of 0.
जी.
Of course, last value will be 0. This
Yes.
is 1 by 2 into tan inverse of pi by 3, 180 by 6, 30 डिग्री। तो क्या लिख सकते हैं इसको? tan कितना हो रहा? pi by 6 कितना हो रहा देख लीजिए। yes, ये डायरेक्ट भी आप कर सकते हो कैलकुलेटर से,
Okay.
tan इनवर्स ऑफ pi by 6 बोल के। कैलकुलेटर अलाउड है तो आप डायरेक्टली tan इनवर्स ऑफ pi by 6 करिए, will get your answer. And
Yes,
make
sir.
sure your answer should be in a fraction form. It should not be in decimal form. So means you have to set your calculator in pi by ना, किसमें रखना है
So
उसको?
tan pi by 6,
रेडियन में रखना, रेडियन।
tan 30
नहीं नहीं, tan इनवर्स ऑफ पाई
1
बाय
by
6
root.
पूरा ही उसमें आ जाता, पूरा का
Okay.
पूरा tan इनवर्स ऑफ पाई बाय 6 उसमें आ जाता। नीड नॉट टू वरीड अबाउट इट।
Okay.
तो
Okay.
0.8 कुछ ऐसा आंसर आ रहा।
1 by root 3.
तो 1/2 इंटू 0.4823, 0.4823। इसलिए मैं क्या बोला मैं आपको, ये पाई बाय 3 होता ही नहीं। आप चेक कर लो, ये ऐसा नहीं आता आंसर।
Okay.
पाई बाय 3
Okay,
नहीं
sir.
होना,
I'll check.
ये लिमिट जो है ना, इट मे बी आइदर पाई बाय 2 और पाई बाय 4, और मैक्सिमम केसेस पाई
Okay, sir.
ओनली।
I'll check. Okay, sir. I'll check once.
चेक कर लीजिए आपके क्वेश्चंस के हिसाब से। सो ओनली 3 क्वेश्चंस आई थिंक लेफ्ट।
Yes,
दिस
sir.
3 क्वेश्चंस विल बी टेकिंग ए टाइम, दिस वन एंड दिस वन। सो मे बी नेक्स्ट सेक्शन और कुछ क्वेश्चंस है तो भी मेरे को डिक्टेट करिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेक्शन, क्योंकि
Okay.
ये क्वेश्चंस को टाइम लगता है, अभी नहीं होता है इतनी जल्दी में। हाँ, इसके लिए मैं
Okay.
आपको थोड़ा सा और थोड़ा डिटेल बेसिक बता के ये क्वेश्चंस को बताना पड़ता है। जैसा मैं इसको बता दिया आज की क्लास में
Okay, sir.
शॉर्टकट में, इसको इतना शॉर्टकट में नहीं बता सकते, इसलिए मैं आपको टिक डाल के रख दिया है। ओके, ये क्वेश्चंस को आपको फिर से कल मेरे को याद दिलाइए,
Okay, sir.
मैं डिटेल में इसको बता, वन वर्ड आंसर्स नहीं होते।
Okay, sir.
ठीक है ना, मैं
ठीक
पीडीएफ
है.
सेंड कर रहा
Okay,
हूँ,
sir.
ये आप देख लो। और भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस है तो थोड़ा अच्छी राइटिंग में पीडीएफ में मेरे को भेजाए तो मैं देख के बोल सकता हूँ, मेरे को समझ में नहीं है इसलिए आपको डिक्टेट करोगे, राइट ना?
Okay, sir.
ओके,
Okay, okay.
तो थैंक यू, विल एंड ऑफ द सेशन।